Happy holidays. We are spending the holiday season with family and friends, and we hope that your holidays are merry and bright. Oh boy, it's so fancy.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Andrew, thank you. Merry Christmas, buddy.
Merry Christmas. Fire's nice too.
It is so nice. And so I'm actually really excited to be here where it's warmer and also to explore this area. It's not an area I'm really familiar with, so stay tuned for that.
So while the Airstream's parked over the next couple weeks, we're going to launch into a couple projects, some maintenance stuff, some upgrades. We definitely have to paint the frame, things like that, but we've also got some surprises, so stay tuned if that's the sort of thing that interests you on our channel.
This coffee's great.
Good, glad you're enjoying it.
Also, for our folks who are interested in our Dreamboat project, don't worry. As February and March come around and springtime starts to ramp up, we plan to do a deep dive and get lots of work done on Dreamboat. Unfortunately, right now, it's just too cold. Oh, that is lovely. Oh.
If I'd known Monkey was going to feature so prominently, we could have dressed him up.
What is happening? Why? You guys stop.
Here's your...
Now you want love? Hit the like button with a cold, wet dog nose. It really helps our channel.